FireTrace FlexRope is our easy-to-install, zero-maintenance, total fire protection solution for electrical enclosures. In this video, we will show you just how easy it is to install FireTrace FlexRope in electrical panels and cabinets up to 35 cubic feet, using the included adhesive mounts and zip ties. Before you begin installation, it's important to ensure that the enclosure is completely safe to access and fully de-energized. Step 1. Route it. It is recommended that FlexRope is installed horizontally 2 to 3 inches above identified ignition points to ensure timely product response. Typically, ignition points are located at cable or wire terminations, hard cable or wire bends, and where power enters or exits the enclosure itself. Step 2. Stick it. As you approach locations where you intend to use the provided adhesive mounts, wipe the area clean of dust, remove the film from the underside of the adhesive mount, and apply it to the desired location within the cabinet, applying pressure for 30 seconds. Step 3. Zip it. Pass the FlexRope through the prepared zip ties, tightening them as you go until you reach the end of your path. And that's it. After a simple visual check, there's no need for extensive ongoing maintenance or annual inspections. With FlexRope's unique solution and easy installation, never question whether you should protect an electrical enclosure to avoid catastrophic risk.